To succeed as a marketer, you need to know key digital marketing specialisms to compete in the marketplace to advance your career. Across industries, digital is crucial for achieving success, helping you plan, optimize, and deliver successful marketing campaigns. At the Digital Marketing Institute, we've collaborated with industry experts to develop an exciting program to help marketing professionals excel. This program, designed for marketers, focuses on the key digital marketing specialisms, from mobile, social media, and emails to PPC and SEO, while also exploring content, analytics, and digital strategy. No matter what stage you're at in your career, it can be overwhelming to keep up to date with digital changes. This program will change that. As the leading digital professional certification body, we're excited to provide a certification that will kickstart and boost your career. Not only will you earn an industry-recognized certification, but you'll gain access to our exclusive membership platform, meaning you can continue your professional development and build connections to peers, industries, and opportunities. The Digital Marketing Institute is excited to offer a program that will boost your credibility, advance your knowledge, and drive career success.